All right, so I have here the Spinbrush Pro Clean Toothbrush. I've been on the hunt for a really good spin brush, and I'm really hoping this one is going to be the one. It has nice soft bristles, it's battery powered, and the batteries are actually included, which is awesome. No BPA plastic, and it looks like even some of it is made with recycled plastic. Well, it seems to have everything I'm looking for, so let's open it up and check it out. There it is. It has a really nice grip to it. The brush is removable so that you can replace it. The bristles definitely feel nice and soft. Then it looks like our batteries go down here in the bottom. And then we've got our on and off switch. Let's try it out. It's spinning so fast, I'm not sure if you can actually see that, but this top piece is spinning in circles, and this bottom piece is moving up and down actually, which I didn't realize it did that when I bought it. So that's a nice little surprise. Honestly, it seems a lot nicer than I was actually expecting. The spin seems nice and powerful. It feels like a pretty solid toothbrush. The colors are nice, and the fact that you can just buy replacement heads is definitely a plus. Overall, this seems like a pretty neat toothbrush, and I'm actually pretty excited to try it out.